Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Bence Nagy and Peter Marxen. This awesome chess game was played in Budapest in 2004. Bence Nagy had white pieces and he started with e4. Peter Marxen played e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to b5, the Spanish game, knight to f6, attacking the pawn on e4, how to defend the pawn. Bence Nagy castled kingside, allowing knight takes on e4 in order to play rook to e1, attacking the knight and aligning the rook with his opponent's king. Knight to d6, so play with the black pieces is playing super tough Berlin defense. White to move, knight takes on e5. Knight takes knight. If knight takes on b5, then knight takes on c6 check wins the game on the spot. So we have knight takes on e5, rook takes knight check, bishop to e7, white to move. The bishop on b5 is under attack. Bishop to f1 is the most played move. Bence Nagy played bishop to d3. The bishop is well placed on d3, but it is blocking the pawn on d file. Black to move, Peter Marxen castled kingside. Knight to c3, c6, preventing knight to d5. b3, knight to e8, intending d5. Bishop to b2, d5. White to move. How would you continue? What is the best move for white in this position? Bence Nagy played queen to h5, threatening queen takes on h7 checkmate. g6, attacking the queen. This position was seen for the first time in 1898 in a London chess tournament. There was a game between Colle against Ward, and Colle was first person who found the best move for white. So we have a case of history repeating itself. The question is, did Bence Nagy know about the game that was played more than 100 years ago? Or did he find the solution during the game? I don't know, but I made sure that the ancient game was included in the book The King Hunt. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? If you play queen to h6, then f5, and black is okay. Back to our game. And this is the move. Knight takes on d5 was played, giving black a choice. Pawn takes knight or pawn takes queen. Well, Peter Marxen captured the more important piece. Let's take it back. If c takes on d5, this is what Bence Nagy had in mind, or if you wish, Colle. Queen takes on h7 check. King takes queen. Rook to h5 check. King to g8. Rook to h8. Checkmate. What a beauty. Back to our game. So, to avoid this checkmate, g takes on h5 was played. White to move. What did player with the white pieces have in mind? What is the follow-up? The follow-up is knight takes on e7 check. King to h8. If queen takes on e7, rook takes on e7 and white is winning. So we have king to h8. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is... What is the move? The move is rook takes on h5, black resigned. The threat is rook takes on h7 checkmate. If f6 is played, then rook takes on h7 checkmate. And if knight to f6, defending the pawn on h7, then white would play this move in a slow motion. Bishop takes knight, checkmate. What a game, what a game. What do you think? of this game. And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.